put it on its side, yeah.
I left all the tags on it.
It's okay.
Oh my gosh, the blanket for him. Before he's gone.
Oh, you know what he's going to do to that blanket, don't you?
Well, maybe not. Hey, that's not a toy. Look in here. Okay. Yes, I think I'm a reindeer. Oh. See, you're going to get whiplash. Douglas, here. Douglas. Here, there's more.
She goes,
Douglas, here, there's more.
oh my goodness, there's more.
See, I got all the toys out. That's all I want. Here. Yeah, let's wrestle with the blanket.
He's going to tear it. We're going to take it away from him.
Douglas, look here.
Oh boy, I don't like clothes so much. But my mom makes me look.
Gracie, take that blanket away from him.
This. Look at this.
Oh my God. Hey, this is a blanket. You're not going to wreck it.
Here, Douglas. Come see what else you got. Oh, look. You got another bacon bone.
This is the best blanket. Oh my God. Look it. Don't you dare hump it. Yep, he's got it. There he goes.
There he goes.
He's going to make it cross.
Ladies and gentlemen.
What is it with this dog?
I don't know. He's getting into position. Oh, on Aunt Braddy's present. That's very rude.
Okay, here's his clothes. Here, take that to your mom. Nope, you don't want that.
Nope, you can't have that.
Say hi. You can say hi now, Aunt Brown.
Huh?
You can say hi now.
Hi.
Hi.